So today I'll be showing you the top 3 websites to practice your English. So the number one website is called englishpage.com. So in englishpage.com you can get weekly lessons and you can get free English grammar and vocabulary lessons. So there are a lot of topics from here to choose, such as vocabulary, verb tenses, prepositions, gerunds and infinitives, articles, conditional forms and modal verbs. So, for example, if I go to conditional forms present/real, then it will tell me how and when I can use these verbs. So, after I've read and thoroughly understood all of the rules of this particular branch, then I can click on exercise 2, 3, or 6. So, when you go to the exercise, it will give you a few questions. Either it will be a fill in the blanks or you can choose your answers. So let's move on to the second website. So the second website is British Council. So now you will choose a section depending on your skill. If you are an A1 to A2 grammar, then you will click on that. If you are a B1 to B2 grammar, you will click on that, and likewise. So I'll be clicking on B1 to B2, and over here I'll have a lot of grammar lessons to choose from. If I search British English and American English over here, so when you click on British English and American English, you will be taken to this page. So over here you can first click on this test to test your grammar, and then after that you can read the grammatical explanation for all of your errors. So likewise you can do this for each other chapter over here. So the third website is just to check your grammar, to see if you have learned anything from the previous two websites. So what you're going to be searching is grammar test, and then the top website will be here, Oxford Online English, English grammar level test. So from the English grammar level test, you can click on start quiz and there'll be 40 questions for you to do. So it is I dash been hit by a car, but luckily I just managed to get out of the way. So now it's going to give you 4 options for you to fill in the blanks. So now depending on the type of sentence this is, you will choose your answer. So the correct answer is I could have been hit by a car. When you click on that and you click on next. So you do all the answers until the submit page comes, and then you can see whether you have scored full or if you still have room for improvement. Thank you, and I hope you learned something new in today's video.